Welcome to 6 Cormac Court. We're right here in Reisterstown, 10 minutes from Hunt Valley Town Center. We have a brand new, completely redone, beautiful single family home with a side entry garage. Everything in this home is brand new, soup to nuts, plumbing, HVAC, mechanical, roof, and the finishes are to die for. 5 bed, 3.5 bath, come on inside, 6 Cormac Court. Upon walking in the front door, you're greeted by a beautiful powder room, straight shot into the kitchen. Big family room, open and airy, open concept, LED lights everywhere. And if you notice the features and the color selections, this has been professionally designed. Family room, dining room that flows right into the kitchen. Beautiful quartz countertops, two-tone cabinetry. And check this out, boom. You got your charger right there, wireless charging. Beautiful backsplash, high-end appliances. The kitchen and floor plan here on the first floor flows so well. 6 Cormac Court features an oversized 2-car garage, fully finished, not hang and tape drywall, fully finished, and this is where you're gonna enter your home most days. Beautiful laundry room, we have cubbies, coat closets, a beautiful glass door off your brand new driveway, and right back in to this very functional, beautiful kitchen. Everything soft close, again, two-tone cabinetry. Anyone who comes into this house is gonna fall in love with this kitchen. The upper level has 4 large bedrooms, each with a ceiling fan, recessed lights. Welcome to the primary, loads of natural light. You have a beautiful closet here, a large walk-in closet to your right. Everyone's gonna love the walk-in. Pantry, and a beautiful glass, awesome tile selections, beautiful nook, an awesome primary suite here at 6 Cormac. Again, 4 bed, 2 bath up here, another bed and bath in the basement. Let's go check it out. Before we go downstairs, you have to realize when you have a brand new house, when everything is done, that's new drywall, new insulation, new plumbing, new electric, new roof, you get 2024 building code. There is a thermostat up on the top level, a beautiful smart thermostat here. Everything in the house feels like a brand new home. Come on down. 6 Cormac Court offers an enormous rec room, tons of outlets, recessed lights, natural light into your walk-up basement, very nice. Another wet bar, another full bath, another bedroom. What a basement. Another key feature that has to be mentioned is this absolutely gorgeous lot, over an acre, relatively level, imminently usable. And again, new deck, new siding, new soffit, new gutters. So if you're looking for a 5 bed, 3.5 bath, custom designed home in a premier location, contact me, Andrew Undum, or anyone at the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and we look forward to showing you more inside.